Hello everyone. Today we're going to compare rational numbers. Whenever we're comparing two rational numbers, or more than two rational numbers, we have a few situations. First one is when denominators are same. Okay? And second one is when numerators are same. And third one is when either numerator nor denominator is same. Then what we should do? Let us go to the first situation where numerators are different but denominators are same. For example, 3 upon 4, 5 upon 4. Whenever denominators are same, we need to check only the numerators. So here numerator is 3 and 5. Okay. If I compare 3 and 5, 5 is greater than 3, which implies that 5 upon 4 is greater than 3 upon 4. That's it. You have to just check the numerator which is greater, then the whole rational number will be greater than that. Let us take one more example. 7 upon 12 and let me take 9 upon 12. Okay. So again, denominators are say compare the numerator. 7 is less than 9. So 7 upon 12 will be less than 9 upon 12. That's it. Okay. Now let us take one negative rational number and check. Let me take minus 3 upon 5 and let me take minus 1 upon 5. Okay. Again, denominators are same. When I compare minus 3 and minus 1, minus 3 is smaller than minus 1. So minus 3 upon 5 will be less than minus 1 upon 5. That's it. This is the case when denominators are same. Now let us jump into a second situation when numerators are same. Now here situation is reverse. Means let me take an example like 1 upon 4 and 1 upon 7. Okay, so numerators are same 1 and 1 and but denominators are different 4 and 7. Here 4 is less than 7. Okay, when numerators are same, check the denominators. 4 is less than 7. Then it's a reverse. It means that 1 upon 4 will be greater than 1 upon 7. Okay? You need to do the reverse. In the first case, you have to just compare the numerator, which one is greater, then that rational number was greater. Here, in second, where numerators are same, it's a reverse. Check the denominator. Smaller denominator will gonna be have a that rational number will gonna have a it's more as compared to the other. Let us take one more. Let me take 5 upon 13 and 8 upon 13. Okay, here denominators are same. Okay, let me change. Let me take 5 upon 4. Okay. Again, so numerators are same, denominators are different. One is 13 and one is 4 again. So 13 is greater than 4. Means 5 upon 4, this rational number will be greater than 5 upon 13. It's reverse. Let us take one more example. Let me take 6 upon 7 and 6 upon 15. Okay, so again numerators are same, denominators are different. Here 7 is less than 15, which means 6 upon 7 will be greater than 6 upon 50. Okay, you just reverse it. Okay, that was a case when numerators are same and when denominators are same we have seen. Now we have one more situation where neither numerator nor denominator is same. In that case, what we should do? There are two ways by which we can do it. One is by cross multiplying and one more is by taking LCM. This cross multiplication method we can even apply when the numerators and denominators are same. I'll show you how it is. Again, let us consider example. Okay, I'm taking random 2 upon 3 and 4 upon 5. Okay, if you see here neither numerator nor denominators are same. Now, I'm going by cross multiplication method. In cross multiplication, you have to multiply the denominator of one rational number with the numerator of another rational number. Okay, and similarly, denominator of one more rational number with the numerator. Just cross multiply. So when I'm multiplying, 2 5s are, it's like 2 5s are 10. Okay, and I'll multiply this 3 with 4. So 3 multiplied by 4, it will gonna give me 12. Now I have to just compare this two number, 10 and 12. Obviously 12 is greater than 10, which means that this rational number is greater than this rational number. That's it. So just cross multiply the number, which number is greater, that rational, which side you're getting a greater number, that rational number is greater. So 2 upon 3 is less than 4 upon 5. It's quite simple technique when you're comparing a two rational number. We'll apply the same technique when the numerators are same. Let us check it out. Okay, I'm going to apply here. So 7 will get multiplied with 1 and this 4 will get multiplied with 1. So 7 ones is 7. 4 into 1 is 4. So if I compare 7 and 4, obviously 7 is greater than 4. So 1 upon 4 should be greater than 1 upon 7. And we got that. Okay, 1 upon 4 is greater than 1 upon 7. Now let us apply the same cross multiplication method when the denominators are same. So here I'll multiply this 4 with 5 and this 4 with 3. So 4 into 3 will give me 12. 4 into 5 will gonna give me 20. So 20 is greater than 12. So 5 upon 4 is greater than 3 upon 4. Okay, so that was a cross multiplication method. It was easy, you can apply in any of the three cases. Now I'm gonna show you how we can do when we are have more than 3 rational number using a LCM method. So first I'm going to show you the same for this number how we can do by taking LCM. So let me write the numbers again. 2 upon 3, 4 upon 5. Okay, so LCM method means we have to change the denominator to the same number that is equal to the LCM. So LCM of 3 and 5 is 15. Okay, so I have to change 3 into 15 and 5 into 15. That's the concept. So for that I need to multiply 3 with one number to get 15. That is 3 5s 15. The same number I need to multiply in the numerator again. Okay, this will give me 10 upon 15. Okay, now I'm going to change this number now, 4 upon 5. So with 5 I need to multiply with 3 to get 15. So the same number I multiply in the numerator, I'll get 12 upon 15. Okay, now I got the number 10 upon 15 and 12 upon 15. So since denominators are same, we go to the first situation when denominators are same, we need to just compare the numerators. So I'll just compare the numerators, 10 and 12. 12 is greater than 10. So this 12 upon 15 is greater than 10 upon 15. Okay, this is how you can do by taking LCM. If you're comparing a two rational number, you can go by cross multiplication and check the situation if numerators and denominators are same. But if you check, like if you're comparing a three rational numbers or four rational numbers, it's better to take a LCM and do it. Let me show you one more example when you have a three rational numbers, 1 upon 2, 3 upon 4 and 2 upon 6. Okay, now here I need to compare all these three rational number. I'll take a LCM of 2, 4 and 6. So LCM of 2, 4 and 6 will be 12. So 3 and then 3. Okay, so yeah, LCM is 12. So LCM of all these three number 2, 4 and 6 is giving me 12. So I need to change the denominator of all these three rational number to 12. So with 1 upon 2 I need to multiply with 6 to get 12. So multiply 6 in the numerator and denominator, I'll get 6 upon 12. Okay, now 3 upon 4. So with 4 I need to multiply with 3 in the numerator, again with 3 I'll get 9 upon 12. And the last number 2 upon 6. With 6 I need to multiply with 2. So in the numerator, denominator, multiply with 2. I'll get 4 upon 12. Okay, so I just need to compare these three numbers now, which is 6 upon 12, 9 upon 12 and 4 upon 12. Denominators of all these three number is same, it's 12. Just check the numerator and then arrange. So if you want to arrange in ascending order or descending order, you can arrange in any way. Here I'm going to arrange in ascending order. So the smallest numerator is 4 here. So 4 upon 12 comes first, which is less than 6 upon 12, which is again less than 9 upon 12. Okay, this is how we can compare. If you want to write the numbers back, you can write like 4 upon 12 is equal to 2 upon 6, which will be less than 6 upon 12 is equal to 1 upon 2, which is less than 3 upon 4. Okay, this is how we can do it. The comparison of rational number, it's an important concept. So that's it. So thank you for watching.